Buying your first home, feeling torn between a house, condo, or townhome, you're not alone. With so many different options on the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down the real pros and cons of single family homes, condos, and townhomes so you can make the smartest move for your lifestyle, budget, and goals. From maintenance and privacy to HOA fees and resale value, we're going to be diving into everything first time home buyers need to know. Whether you're craving space, convenience, or somewhere in between, this guide is going to be your home buying cheat sheet. Starting off with single family homes, otherwise known as houses, these are going to be best for buyers seeking space, privacy, and full control over their property. Single family homes often are on its own parcel of land and doesn't share any walls with neighbors. You own both the home and the land it sits on, so you're in full control, but also fully responsible. Starting off with the pros for single family homes, we have privacy and space. There's no shared walls, and it often includes a front and backyard. Next up is customization freedom. If you want to build a fence, paint your house hot pink, or plant a vegetable garden, it's your call. Next up is strong resale value. Especially in suburban neighborhoods, houses tend to appreciate well over time. Lastly, it's great for families. The extra space and yard make it ideal for kids and pets. Now, getting into the cons, we have maintenance. You're responsible for all the upkeep, including the roof, lawn, and exterior. Next, we have higher cost. Houses usually come with a higher price tag and insurance premiums. For our last con, we have location. Houses are usually located in suburban or rural areas, meaning it's going to be a longer commute for people who work in urban areas. Here's a first time buyer tip. If you're comfortable handling repairs or hiring out maintenance and want room to grow, this might be your best bet. Next, we have condominiums or condos, and these are going to be best for buyers who want low maintenance living and amenities in walkable urban areas. Condos are individual units located within a larger building or community. You own the interior of your unit, but everything outside, including the roof, the exterior walls, the landscaping, and amenities, is maintained by a homeowners association, otherwise known as a HOA. With the first pro of condos, we have affordability. This is usually going to be the lowest price tag out of the three we cover in this video. Next up, we have low maintenance. The HOA will take care of the common areas, the landscaping, the snow removal, and the exterior repairs. Next, we have urban living. Condos are commonly found in downtown areas close to work, restaurants, and entertainment. And our last pro is amenities. Many come with pools, gyms, rooftop decks, and more. Now, with our cons for condos, we have HOA fees. These can be hefty and increase over time. And then we have limited privacy. The shared walls and communal spaces can feel cramped for some. And then we have resale variability. The resale value depends greatly on the location and the building management. And our last con is HOA rules. You're going to have to face rules regarding your pets, renovations, and noise. First time buyer tip, condos are great if you value convenience and location over size and privacy. Always read into the HOA guidelines. Lastly, we have townhomes. These are going to be best with buyers who want a hybrid between house and condo living, more independence without full responsibility. Townhomes are multi-floor homes that share one or two walls with neighbors and often include a small yard or patio. You own the interior, exterior, and the land directly beneath the unit, and HOAs may still exist, but definitely going to be less involved than condos. Starting off with our pros for townhomes, we have the balance of privacy and price. There's going to be more space and privacy than a condo without the full price and upkeep of a house. Next, we have outdoor space. Townhomes usually include a small private yard or patio. The next pro is that it has lower maintenance than compared to a house. And our last pro is location options. They can be found in suburban and urban locations. The first con is shared walls. This is going to be less private compared to a detached home. Next, we have HOA fees and rules. They often still apply, but typically less strict than condos. Lastly, we have stairs. Townhomes are multi-story, so it can be a downside to people who need single-level living. Townhomes are ideal for buyers who want the feeling of owning a home without biting off more than they can chew. Choosing between a house, condo, or townhome depends on your lifestyle, financial situation, and long-term goals. Here are a few things you should be asking yourself. How much maintenance are you willing to do? If you hate mowing lawns and fixing things, a condo might be your best friend. What's your budget? Houses tend to be the most expensive of the three, and condos tend to be the least expensive of the three, with townhomes sitting right in the middle. Where do you want to live? Condos dominate urban areas. Houses dominate suburban and countryside areas, and townhomes are a happy medium. What's your future plans? Think about how long you plan to stay there, whether you rent it out later, and if your family will grow. What's included in the HOA? Always review what it covers, what it costs, and what restrictions come with it. Whether you're drawn to the space and privacy of a house, the ease and convenience of a condo, or the balanced lifestyle of a townhome, there's no right or wrong choice, just whatever fits you best. Buying your first home is a big deal, but you don't have to do it alone. I'm here to help you navigate every step, from showings to closing day and beyond. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss tips to make your home buying journey smoother. If you'll have questions or ready to take that next step, drop them in the comments below or contact me directly. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next Saturday.